Noun name things, people, animals, places, things. Boy, girl, book, carry on, school, village, cat, dog. Adjective talk more about nouns. Tall boy, short boy, black carry-on, white carry-on, big school, small school, pretty cat, ugly cat. Underline the adjective and circle the noun. Tall girl, big school, tall underline girl, circle. Big school, big underline school, circle. Black cat, black underline cat, circle. White cat, white underline cat, circle. Sad dog, sad underline dog, circle. Ugly dog, ugly underline dog, circle. Noun start with a consonant: chair, cat, desk, table, bed. And noun start with a vowel: apple, egg, orange, umbrella. Singular, plural: cat, cats, dog, dogs, cow, cows, butterfly, butterflies, grape, grapes, bird, birds, tree, trees, flower, flowers, leaf, leaves. Opposite word: fat boys, thin boys, fast boys, slow boys, quiet boys, noisy boys. Big balls, small balls, white balls, black balls, hard balls, soft balls. A dog, a book, an orange, an elephant, and old dog, an English book, a tasty orange, a baby elephant. Box, boxes, watch, watches, butterfly, butterflies, boy, boys, leaf, leaves, fox, foxes, brush, brushes. English sentence for baby: an angry boy, a happy boy, a happy baby, an angry girl, a sad girl, a happy girl, an angry baby, a sad boy, a sad baby.